Hey guys, I'm Zachy42, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can make your very own paper airplane. That's really cool. I'm sorry if I'm a little coughing. I have a little cold, but you know what? That's okay. I can still show you guys some amazing things that you guys can do. Now, today, of course, like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your very own paper airplane. But this isn't just any paper airplane. It's going to be able to fly super far. This one just flew like 100 feet or something, and you saw in that first video how it threw a straightaway and it also curves to kind of keep it up in the air. Now at the end of the video, I'll also mention you guys a couple really crucial things that you guys can do to help it go even farther. Let's get started. So I have a white sheet of paper here, and I'm going to just kind of walk you guys through kind of what to do. I'm not going to really say anything. Well, I guess I'll kind of demonstrate. I guess I'll say stuff. So we have our sheet of paper here, and I'm just going to fold off the first corners. You guys may already know how to make some, or you're just here to the tips, how to make it farther. Initially, it's easier to do this on a table, but I'm just going to show it to you like this. Future Zach, edit this part out. So I've just folded the two corners together. A tip as we're going to go along, make sure that they're square like this, so they're both together. This is a little bit off, but that's okay. Alright, now you just did your first fold just like this. Now you're going to fold the same things now outside right here. You're going to take this piece here, fold it into the middle just like that. So it looks like this. So take this and fold this piece in. You guys see that? Like that. Do that with both sides. And now when it bunches up like this at the top here, you kind of just push in, try to adjust it a little bit. It's hard to sometimes, but okay, another tip too as we go, right here how there's paper just like this, if you could kind of just squeeze this together, leave it butchy, this is going to look weird, but if you just scrunch all that up, maybe I get this a little wet and squeeze it, I mean not too wet or else it'll fall apart, then it'll actually be pretty well here. And it'll actually help it go farther. So we're gonna now that you just did that, we're gonna fold it in half like this again, or fold it in half like this. If I can even get this, like that. So we just folded it in half, and this edge here, if you just push that in too, it kind of looks like a tent almost. Now, if you fold it like this, that'll be pretty good too. And now if you just fold the end in like this, or the outside in like that, now you have a pretty cool looking airplane. It looks a little scrunched up here, but remember, that's okay. It should actually have a little canal right here. You see that, how it's curved right there? That's hard to get, so that's pretty good if you're able to get that. Alright. Now, right now, we're going to start to do some pretty good tips because you guys pretty much know already how to make it. These are the same kind of airplanes. You see how this is wider? So, tip number, we're just going to do the tip part. So, this is actually tip number 3, so we'll just go with tip number 3. Tip number 3 is, you guys see is, how there is this green one is spread out like that, how it's wider, and this one's kind of in more. So we're going to set the in one aside, I guess we'll just call it that. You see how this is wider? You don't want it skinny like this. If it's wider like this, it'll fly about twice as far. Not too wide. If you just go moderately wide, this versus this is probably going to go good. See how there's that canal right there? These pieces come up, push them down. That's tip number 4 right here. So push the things down like that, kind of pitch them off as the bottom. You guys see tip number 5 is if not, this whole thing shouldn't be flat. It should actually have a little crescent here. So you see at the bottom how it's like that, how there's a little line up in the middle there. You see that? You should have that on every good airplane. Alright, now tip number 6 is if this is actually a different kind of resource, see this pointy tip. If you put a little tape around that, and that'll actually make it heavier, it'll actually go twice as far from that. So you're starting with 10 feet as an average paper airplane throw. If we throw this right now and we add, it's probably going to go like 20 feet. Then if we add tape, it's probably going to go 30 feet, maybe even 40 feet. That's kind of doubling. So as you go, the doubling will get smaller, but everything else, length will keep kind of getting bigger. So that's a really good thing to know. All right, guys. Our 7th tip is You see that, keep the end pointy. This looks like it's brunched up. This end is still quite pointy. You see that point? This is pointy, this is pointy. An end must be pointy. Alright, that brings the video off for me today. Thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and check out all my other videos. Go do that right now. Before you leave a like on this video. Also, thank you for watching all the way through. Make sure you subscribe, like I said. Like or subscribe right now. Subscribe right now. Go down right there. Ready? I'll give you a second. Okay, you subscribe? Oh, that's great. Thank you for subscribing. Anyways, guys, I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys!